To access Wi-Fi on American Airlines, several steps must be taken. First, download the American Airlines app on your device before takeoff. Next, enable airplane mode on your device. Then, connect to the in-flight Wi-Fi signal. If you are not automatically redirected, open the American Airlines app. Finally, click on the Wi-Fi icon, Wi-Fi packages button, or Get Online option to establish a connection. For T-Mobile customers, in-flight Wi-Fi is available for free by following a few simple steps. Start by enabling both airplane mode and Wi-Fi on your device. Then turn on Wi-Fi calling. Select the Wi-Fi network, and a pop-up page will appear with a Continue button that will take you to the Wi-Fi page. From there, follow the prompts to access the T-Mobile in-flight connection. By following these steps, you can successfully connect to Wi-Fi on American Airlines.